WordPress 5 has changed the way that you edit your content in WordPress. So in this video, let's see how you can create a new post. So let's say you come here under post. So this is a brand new website. Okay, there's nothing in this. So if you come here under post, let's say you want to create a new post. As soon as you click to create a new post, you'll get this prompt and it can give you a quick tour. So this one takes you to the settings, and this will hide or show this, and these are all the items that you'll need to add items to your post. And then let's see the next tip. So the next tip is preview. If you want to preview your post, you'll just click preview and it will open a new window where you can see how your content is. See the next tip. Okay, so once you've added your content, you can just publish, and that's it. So let's create a new post and let's call it new post. So that's it. That's the name of your new post, and then you can start writing. You can add content. So here you can add a block. So maybe you want to add a paragraph, or you want to add another heading. Let's say you want to add another H2. And then the next, you can add another content here. Maybe you want to add another image. You want to add an image. So you'll upload or use one from the media library, or you can insert from URL. Let's use one from the media library. And as I said, this is a new website. Unfortunately, there's nothing here. So let me upload some files from my PC. Just upload them all. So with all the files, with all the images uploaded, you can add them to your post. So once I select that, I can add the image here. You can add a caption. You can add another block. You just hover and you can add another block. If you want to add anything else, maybe a file. You can also add a cover image. This should have been at the top, but let me just click this. And you can add it from the media library. So you can add a paragraph. Okay, let's preview. And if you preview, that's what you get. Okay. So these are the blocks. You can change the settings for the block, color settings. If you want to change, you can change the background. If you want to change the text color as well, you can change the text color. Preview. So that's pretty much what's new in this. And the blocks, documents. So if you come here to documents, once you create this content and the post, you come to document, you can change these details, categories. You can add categories, permalinks. You can change the permalink there. And then tags, all this featured image. You can add a featured image. And then publish. So you can change here under publish. You can change these details, but you can just click to publish. Then you can hide this, show them document. Will show you stuff about the document. Okay, excerpt. If you want to add an excerpt, you want to change comments. If you want to disallow comments, then you can do it there for the individual post. And then blocks, if you want to add another block, just come in here and you can see the blocks that you've added. So if you select a block, you can change settings about the block, font size, you can change that about the block. Okay, and if you come here, you can just hover, and when you hover, you can add a block. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so just feel free to play around with the editor just to see how you like it and what you can do with it. So that's it for this video. I will see you next time in case of a future update.